In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a battery, to charge it, or to change it, or to add a second battery to your Ring spotlight camera. And it's really, really simple, and all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. If you look right here on your camera, there is a Phillips head screw. And in fact, the Ring camera should have come with a screwdriver, but you can use any screwdriver that fits in there. You just unscrew this. Don't worry about dropping it because it is what's called a captured screw, and it's on a spring. So it'll pop out like this and will not fall out. And then you can grab the bottom here. I'm also going to grab the top just to prevent this from spinning, especially if you want to keep it where it was. And then you rotate it counterclockwise, just like that, and then pull down. And that cover comes off. And then your battery is right here. And it says very clearly, push. So you squeeze this together, and then you can pull your battery right out. That's what a battery looks like. And then if you needed to charge it, you can do that right there. And then you can reinstall it, just like this. And it'll snap in right there. And if you were gonna add a second battery, you could add it right there. And then you are gonna replace the cover the same way. So make sure that screw goes back in the same place, and you hold it just like this, and then wiggle it until it pops up like that, and then hold the top, screw it until it's tight clockwise, and use your screwdriver to tighten that screw. Just get it snug. Just like that. And that's it. Hope this helps.